Let's get to know some useful functions when working with matrices. I will clear the command window and show our matrix A. So the first one is the length. Length is useful for vectors, so I will define a vector B, 1, 2, 3. Alright, so we type in length of B, and MATLAB tells us, okay, your vector has the length 3. For matrices, usually you use size. So you just type in size of A, and it will tell you the size. A is a 3 times 3 matrix. If you want to know the number of elements in your matrix, you type in number of elements of A. It's 9, and number of elements for B should be 3. Which is the answer. If you want to know the trace of your matrix, you type in trace of A, and you get the trace. Same goes for the determinant of A. You can also calculate the eigenvalues, eig of A, and you get the eigenvalues. You can also calculate the inverse for A. So inverse of A, and here we go, this is the inverse. Something which is also quite important is the function sum. Sum will sum up the elements in a vector or a matrix. So sum of B will be 6 because 1 plus 2 plus 3 is 6. Now we're going to check what will happen if we use sum on our matrix A. Sum of A, and this is the answer. I'll call A again, and as you can see, all the elements in the columns were summed up. So the first element of sum A is the sum of the first column of A, and the second element is the sum of the second column of A, and so on. If you want to have the sum for all elements, you have to use it twice. So we use sum of A, and you're going to get the sum of all the elements because it sums up the resulting answer vector. Another useful function is max. Max of B gives us the greatest number in B, and min does the same, it gives us the smallest number.